Hello everyone, welcome back to a new price prediction, price analysis video on SLP spell token. We will be talking about some of the bullish and bearish momentums that we see with the project, and some of the things that potentially the zones that we could see happening in the next few days. And also, I want to state in this video as well that thank you everyone for contributing to. We've gained about 200 subscribers, and I really want to appreciate everyone that supported the channel, and we will keep growing as well. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the analysis for SPIL. So, I'm taking a look at SPIL token, and surprisingly with the market, being sideways, we can still see a lot of volume coming in for SPIL, and a lot of, investors are liking the project as well and seeing the potential that it has with Axie Infinity. So I'm liking this, okay? In the day we are up about almost 9%. So there's a lot of things going on, which I do like with the project, okay? We stated in our last video that there was imbalances that needed to be filled, as is these right here, which is about 0.000495 to about 0.000610. Okay, so these zones needed to be broken, and we needed to have another retracement back. Okay, we stated that there was another support level at 0.00566 and another support level at about 0.00512. Okay, and as you can see, we've marked our zones from our previous video. And I stated that these zones here would be creating a heavy support level. So if we do zoom out, we can see that we saw the price was in a downtrend for quite some time. And then look at the zones that we have drawn out before. Okay, so we drew here a zone at a support level at about 0.00518, where price has respected that level. Okay, we saw price here a continuous uptrend for quite some time here before creating a descending triangle, which price decided to come back at the levels that we have to fill in some imbalances that we can see here. Okay, as you can see, price also wicked up again at these levels, retested the support levels we created, and therefore creating the resistance, as you can see here. Okay, so currently in the 1 hour, we can see that we are in an uptrend, so this is a good sign. Okay, it looks like an ascending triangle here. Hopefully, what I want to see for SPIL, since we are respecting these zones here. Okay, so we've came back actually and filled in the zones. We are up 9%, but we came back and this like I said, I want to see price have a little bit of a setback and retest back at the level of imbalances to fill them in. Okay, so we came back at about 0.00480 here, and we created a heavy support there. Okay, so this is a good sign because as you can see, we wigged down. We were in a downtrend for quite some time for the 1 hour. And we wigged down several times. Okay, so look at the pattern that I always like to talk about when I'm looking at the project, which is double bottom. We can see price wig down here and never close. Okay, so at the level of support that we've created before, we see a bullish engulfing candle here, and price went down and tested that zone before rebounding back again. Okay, so you see here as well the bullish momentum. It wigged down and then retested back. So this is 2 times that it tested that zone and it never broke it. Okay, so indicating this was a very heavy support. Okay, and then we saw some bullish momentum occurring right here before a price retest back here. Okay, so at about 0.00475, indicating that this is a triple bottom now, and it's indicating there's a lot of heavy support creating here. Okay, so this is a good sign. Okay, a lot of things happening for SPIL and Axie Infinity, and this is good. Okay, we see that we are in a ranging bullish momentum right now, where price is respecting the zones. It wicked out of here, and it tested back at the recent resistance that we have, the wick here at about 0.0541, and you see price is respecting the zone, is going up and down in the zone for quite some time. So what I want to see for the continuation for SPIL is actually break out of this zone here, retest back at the levels of resistance. As you can see here, the 2 level of resistance, heavy resistance, which created a double top in the beginning, retest back here at about 0.00548, and then test back the levels of resistance that we have drawn before here at about 0.00573. This will be a very good good entry in my opinion if we do come back to these levels and then rebound and actually break out of these zones and retest back here at about 0.00573, and then potentially come back to the recent highs that it had at about 0.00627. It's very important that we have in mind that this level of support should be respected, and as you can see here, there's a lot of indication that it is. But if we do break out of these zones here right now and retest back at about 0.00519, we could be seeing a retracement back again, a healthy retracement back in my opinion, to about let's see here, 0.00474. Okay, so this level here is still a very heavy support, and if price breaks out of this ascending bullish momentum, then we could see a retracement back here at about 0.00472. Keep in mind we are about to be oversold in the RSI and also MACD indicating there's about to be a cross in some time. So just have that in mind, okay? If we do break out of these zones and create a support here at about 0.00550, great. If not, keep in mind this level here for the support level at about 0.00471. Okay, guys? Alright, so just a quick update for our spill. I hope you guys found value. And thank you again for everyone for reaching 200 subscribers. And I really appreciate it. And stay blessed, guys. And see you on the next one. Take care.